YAML. Prerequisites. Name AWS account. Purpose to access and manage AWS services, including RDS. Explanation: an AWS account is fundamental for creating, configuring, and managing all AWS resources. RDS, as an AWS service, requires an active AWS account for authentication, billing, and resource management. Name in user or role with permissions. Purpose to authorize access to RDS resources. Explanation: in identity and access management allows you to control who can access AWS resources and what actions they can perform. You need in permissions specifically for RDS actions, such as creating instances, managing security groups, and accessing database data. Name VPC network. Purpose to provide network connectivity and isolation for RDS instances. Explanation: RDS instances need a network environment to communicate with other AWS resources and the Internet. A VPC virtual private cloud creates a logical network environment within AWS that allows you to control network traffic and security. Name subnet within VPC. Purpose to allocate IP addresses to RDS instances within the VPC. Explanation: subnets within a VPC define a range of IP addresses available to resources. RDS instances require an IP address within a subnet to communicate over the network. Name security group. Purpose to control inbound and outbound traffic for RDS instances. Explanation: security groups act like firewalls, defining which network traffic can reach an RDS instance. This is essential for controlling access to the database and protecting it from unauthorized connections. Name database engine selection. Purpose to choose the database engine that best fits your application needs. Explanation: RDS supports various database engines, e.g., MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, each with its strengths and features. Selecting the appropriate engine is crucial for application compatibility, performance, and data consistency. Name database instance size. Purpose to define the computational power and storage resources for the RDS instance. Explanation: database instances come in various sizes, offering different amounts of CPU, memory, and storage. Selecting the right size is important for performance optimization and cost effectiveness. Name database credentials. Purpose to authenticate access to the database. Explanation: you need a username and password to connect to the database hosted on the RDS instance. These credentials are used for accessing and manipulating data. Name database backup strategy optional. Purpose to ensure data protection and recovery. Explanation: while not strictly required, a backup strategy is essential for data resilience. RDS provides automatic backups, but you can configure custom backup schedules and retention policies. Name monitoring and alerting optional. Purpose to track RDS instance health and performance, and to receive notifications for potential issues. Explanation: monitoring allows you to track metrics like CPU usage, database connections, and storage space. Alerts can be set up to notify you when certain thresholds are exceeded, ensuring proactive troubleshooting and maintenance.